On May 29, 2025, police arrested a man after finding stolen checks and materials used to produce fraudulent checks in his apartment.
Police, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hey! Wait, walk back towards them. Do it now. Move it. Keep going. Hey.
Stop.
Come back to me. You good. Come back to me. Turn away. Keep stay on the car. Stay on the car.
She ain't did nothing, man.
All good, bro.
You heard me. Don't do nothing to her. She ain't did nothing.
Nobody gonna do nothing to her, man.
Kayla.
You got anything on you, bro?
Nah, I ain't got nothing on me.
Okay.
Kayla, don't talk to them. She ain't did nothing. She ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Leave her alone. Kayla,
come on,
don't give them permission or nothing because you don't own nothing. Don't let them touch nothing. Call your mama. You heard me, Kayla? Don't talk to them about nothing because she ain't did shit. Kayla, don't give them permission or nothing. Don't go to nothing, no nothing.
You ain't got nothing on you, right?
Nah, I ain't got nothing on me.
You gotta make sure. Hey, I'm finna sit him in here. You hear me?
Yep. So that was y'all loading up earlier, looking for me, I guess? Because somebody took a picture and said they loading up by the church on Jefferson. So what y'all picking me up for?
On Jefferson?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that wasn't us.
Oh.
I'm his assistant. I'm not the lead investigator, so I don't know. Hey, I'm gonna just stay with him. I got him in the car. I'm not the lead investigator on this, so I honestly don't know.
What Kayla at?
She...
KK.
I don't know.
Yeah, tell her Kayla to come in.
Oh, no, we ain't gonna let you talk to her right now.
Yeah, she okay.
You wanna give him a hug? I said, that's all right.
Hey, Freeman, why you be on me like that, man? Why you be on me like that so bad, man?
Why you keep doing crimes, man?
Okay. What crime I did?
This shit. He's been...
Freeman. Look, hey, let me holler at you, Freeman. What crime I did this time?
I can't talk to you without Miranda being involved. We'll be in an interview room if you want to talk to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
After taking the suspect into custody, officers secured the scene while noting his repeated instructions for Kayla to stay silent. Investigators then prepared to examine key evidence in the case.
Hey, what are the keys to the apartment, bro? So
nobody don't live here. That's what I'm telling y'all. Y'all going in the wrong apartments, doing all this. Y'all doing the wrong shit.
Like, that way for the damages, but if that's just try to...
Nothing. Do what y'all gotta do. Beat down every door. Kayla, just don't talk. Don't talk to them at all. Don't talk to them at all. You want to do your job, do it the right way. Apartment. Ain't no apartment. Nobody live here.
Okay.
Don't do no talking, Kayla, at all. Don't talk to them at all.
You got
where your phone at? Call your grandma. Don't talk to them at all.
You gonna have to... I don't know if you want to go up there and watch them.
Where my phone at? Yeah, your other phone. He took it. I don't know why he took it. Don't talk to him at all. Don't say nothing. Don't talk to him at all. Since he want to do all that lame shit, don't talk at all to him. Don't even live out here. That what his ass get. I always try. You commit crime. You keep putting my name on shit.
Slide in for me, bro.
But Kayla, look, don't talk to them at all, cause you ain't did shit. He been trying to investigate me for the longest, for no reason.
I am about to look, bro. Go ahead and slide in for me, bro. Come on, bro. Slide in.
Kayla, give him the phone. No, let him get it. Kayla, give him the phone. Kayla, give him the phone.
Bro, slide in the car.
Please,
listen, we not gonna. Ain't nobody.
Kayla, just give him the phone. Don't do no talking. Let him. That's his grandma.
Look, ain't nobody gonna hurt your girl. All right, we just go.
Kayla,
I got you.
let him keep that. Kayla, let him keep it.
So watch your foot, bro.
Can you let my window down, please?
Go ahead, bro. I'm not gonna let nothing happen to her. Look, bro. You don't make this worse.
I don't want to make it worse, but bro,
I'm telling you.
Let her just get it.
You not letting me go over there and help. You got to get in the car, bro.
Kayla, don't talk. Just give him the shit and don't talk to him.
Ma'am, you just stay right there, okay? I'll work with you. Walk back towards me. Ma'am, please walk back towards me. You got anything on you I need to know about? Okay. So he's got some warrants, okay?
Really, again?
Yeah,
Damn.
I got you. That's okay.
Damn.
If you'll just step back here with these officers here, okay? Is there anybody else in the car?
No.
Okay, is there anybody else inside your apartment?
No.
Nobody else?
That's not even our shit. We were leaving his cousin.
I got you. You just want to step back here for me, okay?
I know, fact, it's not even our spot to be doing anything.
Just right here for me. What's up?
Before he has to go.
I got you. It's gonna be okay. You want to stand? Hang tight with her.
I'm searching him. You will have them back.
Let me go, sir.
If we need to detain you, you're gonna cooperate. Vehicles, they're not moving. Okay.
Okay, this is my
You got a search warrant.
You can search it.
We don't look. I don't plan on impounding anything. It's not my
They're gonna
intent.
stay here. The keys are gonna go back to you. Does that sound like a good plan?
We are all done. The apartment, the vehicles, all this stuff will be released back to you.
Okay.
With the suspect secured, officers confirmed the property was clear before entering to execute the search warrant and gather evidence.
Just in case, you guys stay here with here.
Well, we're gonna break the door.
Sorry.
Is there anybody in there?
She said no.
Let me grab something. You got it.
Yeah, she said nobody else did not give us keys or anything else.
Here, I'll take that.
Doors off. I mean,
She didn't give keys?
correct.
No keys?
I think, hang on. Do we make announcements yet?
Nope, we just got there.
So go ahead and start with announcements. Well, hang on. Rivera, can you bring a key up here for Freeland?
We're doing a lot of standing.
Yeah. Knock on the door.
I got it. Come
What's up?
Yeah.
Police department! Police department!
Search warrant!
Search warrant! Open up!
Wait. See if it's open. See if it's unlocked. That works?
Man.
They got someone, dude. Clark County Police, if you're here, announce yourself! Coming out. There's a door closed behind the front door.
Up with the rifle?
Yeah, they go up a little bit. Just give it 1 second. Clark County Police Department, if you're inside, make yourself known and come to the front door.
Got one open door ahead of us. I can't see the right of the kitchen.
Clark County Police, if you're inside, make yourself known and come to the front door. Do it now.
Yep, third man, kiss the door.
All right for that? Yeah, so let me go with you. The fourth guy just blocked the door here, so we get a front door.
Yep. Here, I got this one.
Okay. I'm blocking Frank. You got the door behind us, dude. All right, you on the thread here. Yep.
We'll blow up.
I got it. I can get it. I got it.
She says she don't live here. There's nobody lives here, so.
I did not mean to hit the siren like that.
Huh? Did you hit the siren?
Tina did.
Awesome.
I was pulling her through the middle partition and she stepped on the, she hit the, what do you call it? Not the warbler, the rumbler. She hit the rumbler.
Yeah, I think it's, I mean, I'm seeing for like half of it, not like.
Are y'all clear?
No, we still got bedroom back here. Yeah, we just get that shield. Okay.
Officers systematically cleared the residence to ensure it was safe. With the home secured, investigators shifted their focus to searching for relevant evidence.
Hey, Sharp, bring that shield back over here if that's clear enough.
Shield's coming up. Y'all do have a closet back here.
This one?
Yep. That's a table or a table?
That's a mattress. Clear. Cool.
Federal judges or anything like that.
But then what you did though, you this time you got down, you like, oh yeah, the feds involved. That's what really got me out, because you went to trying to put the feds and didn't have enough evidence on me to be trying to.
While the suspect questioned the search warrant's validity, investigators remained focused on documenting the scene and collecting critical evidence inside the residence.
Well, and you know what? And honestly, just for the sake of transparency, they wanted a little bit more.
Yeah.
They wanted me to do a little bit more investigating before.
But did you do your job correctly though?
I did.
You came 1831, didn't you? Look at you. You funny as hell. I don't even live here, but
You've been here for a while.
No, I haven't. I ain't been here for a while. I ain't even been locked up that long. I mean, I ain't even been out of jail that long. To be here for a while. But I get it though. It's cool.
The suspect was taken into custody and charged with 16 felony counts.